If you like to know, guys, if you like to know how we achieve this hairstyle, then keep watching. So this is the crochet updo I done for my daughter. Very simple and easy. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. So let's get right into it. Hi guys, it's your girl Priceless Beauty, and today I'm here with another updo. So I'm just going to be combing the hair and just put it in a bun. So first of all, I've done the front part for the updo, and I'm going to be doing the back. So hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you. So you can hold it and updo like this, which is really beautiful. So this is like, you can style it anyhow you want it. Hold it updo like this and then leave the front like this, which is really beautiful. Or you can just let go of the back. Or I did this pin here. Or you can just let go and have it like this. Have it like this. So this is the finished result. So some days she's going to hold the back updo, and some days she can just, you know, put it down as well. So this is how it looks. This is the front. Can you turn around for me? And this one is just like, it's a quick style. It doesn't need braiding, so anyone can do it. So this is how it looks. Now put this on it. So this is beautiful for any age. So this is how it looks like, and it turns out really nicely. This is the side. It's really beautiful. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. So all I'm going to be doing is just to style the front a bit and tie it to smoothen it. So this is the result. It's beautiful. Finished result of first style. Back updo. So this is very versatile. the back. Love it updo like this at the back. Can just accessorize it, just like when she's going out, just put this on like this. It's beautiful. Now this is how you do it looks. So I'm just going to leave it in this state. I'm just going to tie it for the night. So I hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.